Hi, to customize always on display on your Xiaomi 13, go in the phone settings first and from here choose lock screen. Now just scroll to the very bottom of the page and select always on display. Now you would need to tap it again like that, and here we got many styles for the always on display, but before we choose one we need to enable it by tapping on the switcher, and also we can select display items. For example, for 10 seconds after tapping, it will display items. We can choose always and select the schedule. Here just choose turn on time, here turn off time, and save the changes. And also we can enable to turn off when battery saver is on, which is recommended as well. Now let's go back and select theme. I really like this one, so I want to choose it. And firstly, we can also enable or disable to show battery and notifications. So if you would like to disable battery, for example, just tap on it like I did just now. And now we can immediately apply the style. So just tap button apply, and now it is applied successfully. So let's check it. I'm gonna lock my screen, wait a few seconds, and here is the always on display. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.